Hello everyone, it's Allright, and I'm gonna show you in this video how to use Allright rig and level sequencer to make animations in Unreal Engine 4. So let's open the sequencer, and I have made some walk cycle animation, and it looks a little bit slow. I have saved it. I'm sorry for my English. Sometimes I make mistakes, and I saved this animation to the animation sequence, and I can put the play rate a little bit higher. And if I will play the animation, it looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to make the run cycle animation, and I need to make a new level. So I will save this level. I will just hit the new level, the default level, save selected. I need a new level and new rig, because if I will delete this rig that I showed you, I will lose this animation in level sequencer. So any different animations I need to make in different level sequencers and in different levels. Okay, let's put the rig. I will reset its position and reset the position of the plane, so it will fix the ground. And I will work in unlit mode, and I would like also to delete the sky sphere, so nothing will bother me. And I want to use the kite character. So in chart type property, I need to select kite scale mesh, and something appeared with this shading here because it was imported from 4.10, but it's fine in delete mode. And I will press, I will choose the rig, and my system will say like, some bones are missing in retarget manager, click. So basically we need to set up this skeletal mesh to for my rig. I will go to kite demo, character, I will open the skeleton, and I will go to retarget manager. So here I will select humanoid rig, and Unreal automatically defines recognize these names by default, because the naming system of kite demo is the same as default skeleton mannequin, default mannequin skeleton, I'm sorry, and that's why it's automatically assigned, show advanced, it's all the same. But if you have different names, you will need to set up all this. Okay, save pose, and I will hit Ctrl S, and I will make a new map, and I will call it kite walk cycle. Oh my God, walk cycle. Okay. So now let's try to make rig. Stands rig. That looks perfect. And but right now I can't select my controller. Something happened. Actually, something happened in Unreal Engine 4.12.5 with a posable mesh component. So if you wanted to start to work, to update, you need to change any kind of property here. It looks strange, but it looks like a bug. Actually, I will remove the posable mesh component from my rig in next version, so it will be only skeletal mesh component. But it works perfect. It's only like it's only in this version of the engine. I don't know. I will make a bug report on this. Okay, so let's try to make animation. So controllers orientations. IK controllers has the world orientation, so if you reset them, they will be oriented to the world. And like IK controllers are these cubes. And FK controllers, they have orientation of bones, of skeleton's bones, and if orientation of the bones like is good, then you will have good orientation with your controllers. Basically, it works like this. Okay. So let's go here, and first I will put my leg a little bit closer. I will start to make animation. First of all, before making animation, I need to create the level sequence, and I will call it kite. It will be a level sequence, I guess, and I will open it and make it a little bit more comfortable. So I put here -10, and the work area will be, so if you work in 30 FPS frames per second, so for the run cycle it will be fine to make it like in 20 frames. Okay. I need to, so I will work in a side view. So at first I would like to put my controllers a little bit closer to the origin. So it's -4 maybe, and here it will be 4. And I will go to the side view, to the right view, and I will start to make the pose. So I will select blue controller and I will start to make this pose. Okay. Move here, a little bit forward, a little bit, so it would be like this. Yes, something like this, and this leg we move here, and maybe like to this position. So this looks fine for me. I will select these controllers and hit the S button, and in 0 frame, yes, and in the 20 frame. So the length of my cycle is 20 frames. And now I need to make this leg to be exactly here in this position, so I need to make a mirror position, mirror pose for the legs. So I will just copy this key, this one. I will copy this key, or you can type Ctrl+C, and I will go to the frame 10, and I will type Ctrl+V, but it's, I don't know, it's just Ctrl+V. So, and it exactly the same pose. And I will also do the same for this foot. I don't know what's happening for this foot. And I need to copy key from here, Ctrl+C, go to frame 10, and for this controller I will type Ctrl+V. Okay, perfect. And now I will start to adjust the animation of my left foot. Then I will copy it on the right foot, to the right foot, I'm sorry. So I don't need this controller, I will hide it, and I need just to add the key somewhere here, like even before. I need to make like here in this frame, I need to make the pose when the foot is on the ground, like this. I enabled the AutoKey mode, and I choose the AutoKey animated, so it will automatically put keys for the animated actors. And also when the food is coming back, so it must be something like an arc here, and it should be like this. Then it goes forward, and then starts the new animation. Let's play and see. Something like this, but I need to fix some bugs here. Yes, I need to firstly during the second frame foot should be on the ground. This. And like here in this frame, it should already not touch the ground, like this, and go backward. I don't know, maybe in this frame, and this key I will remove like this. Yes. And I need to have a good arc here, so I need to go to the curves and to look what is happening here. So first of all, I'm interested in a Y curve, and it should be straight, like liner here. I will remove this key, these keys, and while the foot is on the ground, it should move with a constant speed, like this. And I need also to fix z-axis because something strange is happening here. Let's like this, and until this frame, so it should be the same value. It's 0. Okay, let's put 0 here. Okay, and after this frame, leg starts to go up. And maybe not so fast. I will remove this key. I will try to make it more soft. This curve, like this. Maybe like this. No. Yes, it looks better. And I see the timing very well, yes, between the frames, and I can switch. I also need to see what is happening here. So when foot touches the ground, it's normal speed, like maybe until this frame. Then it goes up, and before it starts the new cycle, this tangent should be the same as the first one. Yes. Let's look at the animation. Okay, right now it looks a little strange. We need to add animation to this controller, to the body controller, to see what is happening. Okay, I have these two frames. I need to put key in this pose, and in this frame I will just move it a little bit up, and I will go to this key and copy and paste it here, and let's look what is happening. So right now it looks a little bit strange, and because we need to shift this animation a little bit. And before shifting the animation, yes, I need to loop it. Right button, pre-infinity cycle, post-infinity cycle, and now I can move it a little bit backward and see this nice overlapping effect of bouncing, the body bouncing, yes. Okay, and now I would like to copy. I want to make sure that everything looks fine here. Maybe I want this leg to be. No, it looks fine. Yes, now I want to copy this animation to this foot. Okay, let's just select the transform section case, and I will go to frame 10 because it needs to be shifted, and I will remove this keys, and I will select like alt keys, and I will select this keys, type Ctrl C, Ctrl V. You see they are already shifted. I need to remove this key. So, and the only thing is I need to make cycle, pre-infinity cycle, post-infinity cycle. Let's watch now. Okay, it looks good. There is some jiggling happening in my legs. I think, and also I forgot about the X position of this controller. So let's go to the front view, and first of all, I see that something strange is happening here. It's because of pole vector controllers animation. So let's just select them and move them a little bit here, and this one a little bit here. Okay, and I see the movement. I see that my foot controller is moving on the X-axis, and it shouldn't. So I need to fix it. Location X, and let's go to curves. There is some animation here. I will delete it, and I will fix the position of this controller. It looks better. Broken foot. And let's move here, and also for this controller, I'm sorry, it's here, location X, and I will remove this keys, and I will look, this looks nice. Okay, now let's come back to the side view, right view, and let's watch maybe this. Now the jiggling effect still appears. It's during these 2 frames, yes. So we need, maybe we should, okay, what can we do with this? Let's try to move body a little bit. Location. If you want to make professional animation, you need to watch different, like other tutorials. Mine is just about like how to use my reading system, and maybe I need to move these curves a little bit backward, and maybe this curve also a little bit forward. Oh, I'm sorry, I moved. I forgot about one key. Let's play the animation. Okay, it's a big deal to fix it. You need to work with this controller, with these controllers, and it can be very long. Okay, let's make another animation. Let's make the animation of the arms. I will use FK. It will be absolutely comfortable to use FK for this animation. And let's go to 0 frame and watch, like, if left leg is forward, then left arm should be backward. I move it here, and the pose will be something like this. I want also to talk about fingers. It's like a big problem in engine, like to select few controllers, yes, and to rotate them. It will rotate like like it parted to each other, yes, and then you can't reset it. So the best way to rotate fingers right now is to select all these controllers. I'm gonna fix this problem. I'm gonna make like GUI for hands, for GUI for the wall character, and maybe I will also make the gimbal another rotation tool that will work perfectly for creating the animation. And I will try to, so this is Z-axis, and on Z-axis I will type something like -20. Okay, so, and just make this a little bit and move them like this, and this finger also. Okay, and I want to case this position here in 0 frame. Let's go back to the section view, and I will hit Shift E. It will put case only for rotation properties. Okay, and in this frame my hand should go a little bit forward. And I will also make these motions for the overlapping, for a nice overlapping effect. Something like this. Okay. Let's play the animation and let's watch it. It looks not perfect, but I like it more. I will try to. I will also make. I will try to make some overlapping effects here, and to do this I need to set up pre-infinity, post-infinity, pre-infinity. It would be nice if you could select all sections and put the infinity for all sections that you need. Let's select this controller, and I will shift this animation for 1 frame. This animation, no, sorry, not this, this, yes, for hand for few frames, and I have a little bit of overlapping effect, and maybe I should shift all this animation a little bit. It still looks a little bit strange. Okay, when the character hits the ground, this arm should go down. This one. And yeah, this looks better. And let's copy this animation to the right hand. So I need to put set keys for the right hand. I don't care about position right now. I will just copy this animation. So I select these keys, hit Ctrl C, select this arm, and I will move to the 10 frame. Hit Ctrl V. It didn't work. This. Ctrl C. This one. Transform. Ctrl V. Perfect. This one. Ctrl C. And this one. Ctrl V. And this one. Ctrl C. And this. Ctrl V. Perfect. I need to remove the first frame from these controllers. So here is this animation, and I also need to shift it a little bit. I have a lot of keys here. Right now I need to make it a little bit better to see. So I will collapse all nodes, and I will select only nodes that I need, and I will expand them. And here is my keys. So this one will stay here. This one will go one frame backward, one frame forward. This go 2 frame forward, and all they should go like 1 frame, I think. Let's check. Yes, 1 frame forward. And we have no cycle, so press cycle. Actually, I don't need the post cycle here. I can use only press cycle. It will be nice. In this case, animation, it was very easy to copy the animation because this skeleton has like nice mirror joint with the behavior orientation. That's why animation copies, like you copy animation very easy. Okay, let's play this animation. Let's hit stop, and I will make some body movements, and I will hit S key. So when the left arm is forward, I will move a little bit left, and actually I need to put the same key here, yes, and in 10 frame I move a little bit this way. It looks like he runs backward, and I need to shift this animation a little bit, so let's make pre-infinity and post-infinity cycle, and let's try to shift it a little bit to see, maybe more, maybe it's too much. Maybe in different way, I don't remember exactly. No, it's he's running backward now. That looks better. It still has robo motions, but it depends, like, and let's make the head movements. Let's go to the front view. And because this controller is parented to this controller, yes, the head moves with spine. In next version I want to make the property that will be able to parent this controller, for example, to the world rotation, so it would stay on one place when you have this animation. But let's go to the shaded view, like this. I hit S key, and in the last frame I also hit S key, so I just need to fix the rotation here and also here. Okay, I think it will be very difficult to make, but we can also unparent this controller. So I need to remove this animation from here and to remove it from the sequencer, and I would like to unparent it. So there is a big here, head FK. I will move it just to the root, so it would have. You see, now it has the same orientation as. I just need to rotate it as world a little bit, and maybe I want to make some. Oh, this controller right now is somewhere. It has 0 scale because I deleted the keys from sequencer. So let's make it. Okay, here S key, and I just want like here the character just move head a little bit down, up, and here also a little bit down, and maybe I will also make the cycle, and I will move the frames, and we have nice overlapping effect for a head. Let's go to the front view. And so there is a problem with like, okay, I need to parent it. Because you see, this controller also has aim effect to the neck. So I need probably to parent it here to attach it to this controller, pelvis, body FK. So head is here, and I will move it just here. And let's play the animation. Oh, I'm sorry. Now it looks better, but I'm sorry. Where's my controller? Head controller. It's here. Where is it? It's here because we have translation keys, yes, and when we parent it, let's remove the translation keys, and right now it went here. We can just move it here. and we need to adjust a little bit animation on Z-axis. Let's go to Z-axis and let's go to the graph editor. This is our animation. I can delete this curve and looks like it's not Z-axis. It's all axes. Maybe it's Y-axis. Once more. Yes, it's Y-axis. And now let's play the animation. Now it looks fine. I also need to... I'm sorry, it's a habit. I also need to animate this controller a little bit, yes. We need to move from left to right, a little bit forward, but I think it's enough. If you can do this animation, I would just say, if you can do this animation in Maya, you have no problems to do it in Unreal Engine. And I also wanted to make the controllers to be X-rayed, so you don't have like a lot of wires here around the character. You just have this controller, you can select and work with it, and you can define is it left or right by the color of controller. I don't know, for me it's much more comfortable than to use like a lot of curves and wires around the character. Okay, let's bake the animation. I will save the scene. I will go to sequencer and where's my animations? It's here. So I need from 0 to 20 frame. Let's go to the character. Rig. Let's go to the bake property, and I need here the kite level sequence. I work with from 0 till 20, and I have 30 FPS in this sequence. Yes, okay. And I can now bake it. So bake to anim sequence, run. And I will call it boy walk cycle. Actually it's run cycle. Probably I'm already a little tired, so I'm sorry. So here's my animation set, and if I will play the animation, here is character runs, and you can use this animation where you want, and it's just the usual animation sequence. Okay, thank you very much everybody for your time, and I hope this system will help you to create animations in Unreal Engine and to make your work pipeline much shorter. Bye bye.